In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable class tracking in QuickBooks Online. Class tracking helps you slice your financials by department, program, grant, event, or any custom segment you care about. Once it's on, you can tag transactions with a class and run reports that show profitability or spending by those segments. You'll need company admin rights to change the setting, and note that class tracking is available on QuickBooks Online plans that support advanced features. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account in a web browser. When your dashboard loads, go to the top right and click the small gear icon, also known as the Settings menu. From there, select Account and Settings. This opens the configuration area where you manage your company preferences. In the left-hand navigation, choose the Advanced tab. This section controls how your books behave behind the scenes. Scroll down until you reach the Categories area, then click Edit on the right. You'll see the option to track classes. Turn this on to enable class tracking across your company file. QuickBooks will show a couple of helpful options here. You can decide whether to apply one class to an entire transaction or assign a class to each detail line. If you often split bills or invoices across multiple departments or programs, selecting the Per Detail Line option will give you more precise reporting. You may also see a checkbox to warn you when a transaction doesn't have a class. Turning that on is a great safeguard to keep your reports complete. When you're satisfied with your choices, click Save, and then Done to exit Account and Settings. That's it. Class tracking is now active. The next time you create an invoice, bill, expense, or journal entry, you'll notice a class field available to tag the transaction. If you chose to track by detail line, that field will appear on each line so you can split amounts exactly how you want. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't immediately see the class field on a form, refresh the page or clear your browser cache, as the new setting sometimes needs a quick reload. Establish a simple class naming convention early, like Marketing, Operations, or Program A, so your team applies tags consistently. And if you run management reports, remember to filter or group by class to get the insights you turned this on for. You've successfully enabled class tracking in QuickBooks Online, setting the stage for clearer, more actionable reporting. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!